Dear students, I hope you are spending your time in a very constructive way. Never be distracted. We will be in normal phase of life soon. One more thing, I am going to deliver the lecture in English. I mean 80% in English and 20% in Assamese. Regarding our language, if you have any problem, do comment. Your duty is to understand. It may be English or Assamese. You need to have a good idea. Language is not a matter. But we need to improvise our English language skill. That is the point. And before the lectures, I think you need to read the lesson so that it will be easy for you to understand. Let's discuss about the syllabus, and I hope you will write down the syllabus. In the syllabus, prose. From the prose section, there will be 35 marks. From the poetry, 30 marks, grammar 20 marks, and composition 15 marks. In the prose section, there are 5 prose. The Bharzar by William Somerset Maugham, Testament of a Worker by R. Kenarian, Scarecrow by Satyajit Ray, The Gift of the Magi by O. Henry, and On Not Being a Philosopher by Robert Lind. In her poetry, there are 5 poems: Sita by Toru Dutt, The Brook by Alfred Lord Tennyson, Ozymandias of Egypt by Percy Bysshe Shelley, La Belle Dame Sans Mercy by John Keats, and Village Song by Sarojini Naidu. In the prose section, you have to attempt 5 questions. Each question carry 1 mark. So 1 into 5 marks. Number 2, you have to attempt 5 questions. Each question carry 2 marks. 2 into 5, 10 marks. Number 3, you have to attempt 3 questions. Each question carry 4 marks. 4 into 3, 12 marks. So it's a long question. And the next explanation, you have to attempt 2 explanations. Each carry 4 marks. 4 into 2, 8 marks. 35 marks. অর্থাৎ তোমালোকক 1 নম্বৰৰ 5টা প্ৰশ্ন থাকিব। 5টা নহয় বেছি থাকিব, তোমালোকে 5টা কৰিব লাগিব। 2 নম্বৰৰ তোমালোকে 5টা কৰিব লাগিব। 4 নম্বৰত তোমালোকে 3টা কৰিব লাগিব আৰু এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যন তোমালোকে 2টা কৰিব লাগিব। সো 5, 10, 12 আৰু এপিনে 8 নম্বৰ। এটো হৈছে তোমালোকৰ prose. Let's move to the poetry. In the poetry section, you have to attempt 5 questions. Each carry 1 mark. So 1 into 5, 5 marks. Number 2, you have to attempt 4 questions. Each carry 2 marks. 2 into 4, 8 marks. Number 3, long question. You have to attempt 3 questions. Each carry 4 marks. 4 into 3, 12 marks. And the next, explain with reference to the context. You have to attempt only 1 for that, 5 marks. So 5, next 8, after that 12, again 5. Or poetry section to তোমালোকে 5টা কৰিব লাগিব short question. তাৰ পিছত 2 নম্বৰৰ তোমালোকে 4টা কৰিব লাগিব। এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যন তাৰ পিছত লং কোৱেশ্চন তোমালোকে 3টা কৰিব লাগিব। 4 নম্বৰকে থাকিব। আৰু তোমালোকৰ এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যন এটা আহিব 5 নম্বৰ থাকিব। অৰ্থাৎ 5 4টা কোৱেশ্চন 2 কে 8 আৰু 3টা কোৱেশ্চন 4 নম্বৰকৈ 12 আৰু এইপিনে তোমালোকৰ এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যন হবে 5 নম্বৰ। টোটাল 30 মাৰ্কস তোমালোকে পাবা। Next, move to the grammar section. In the grammar, there will be the preposition, tag, questions, correct tense, and transformation of sentence. Each section carry 5 mark. মানে প্ৰতিটো সেকশনৰ পৰা 5 নম্বৰকে আহিব। যেনেকৈ গ্ৰামাৰ বুলি কোৱাৰ লগে লগে যেনেকৈ তোমাৰ কাৰেক্ট টেন্সত 5 থাকিব, টেক কোৱেশ্চনত 5 নম্বৰ থাকিব, প্ৰিপজিশন, ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মেশন অফ সেনেকৈ গোটেইবিলাকত 5 নম্বৰকে তোমালোকৰ 20 নম্বৰৰ গ্ৰামাৰ আহিব। And last, composition. This particular part is given to judge your understanding power, that how well you can understand the English language. There will be passages or maybe conversations. So you have to read this and try to find out the answer. So it's all about you, that how accurate you are. Judge your accuracy of the mind, and how you read, how you understand. Speed of the mind, you can say. So these are the syllabus, and I hope you try to understand the syllabus. On the basis of that, we move on. So in my next video, I will discuss or give a quick look of the lesson Bharjar. After that, I will start a poem Sita, and next I move to the lesson Bharjar and discuss in details. So I hope you will study the syllabus, as I told you, because it is very important. And regarding the lectures, you just try to think about that. What do you think? That, as I told you, I deliver the lecture in English, 80% in English and 20% in Assamese. And if you think that you want the lecture in Assamese also, like 50% in English and 50% in Assamese, you do comment. But my point, you just try to remember my point. My point is that you just try to improve your English language skill, comprehension skills, because that is very important. And in case of the lesson Bharjar, as I told you, you read this lesson and try to judge your understanding power. Read the poem Sita, just try to understand. And in my next video, I will discuss. So, see the syllabus. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.